What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video, guys, we do have an update on this crypto called The Graph, which has pumped up 30% in the last 24 hours, and as you can see, it's currently sitting at 17 cents. So we're going to be looking at its next target. Is it going to keep pumping? Is it going to drop down in value? And also mainly looking at, is it time to buy it right now, or is it too late? Or if you're on a profit, should you sell it, or is it just time to hold on to it before it goes even higher, potentially past the 20 cents target? So we're going to cover both buyers and sellers point of view and the best thing to do right now, and is it even worth investing into The Graph in 2023. But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I'm trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I'll be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, following me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So as you can see, we are currently on the Coinbase website. The market is up just under a percentage in the last 24 hours, and we do have The Graph as one of the top gainers in the last 24 hours. In the last hour itself, it managed to drop just about half a percentage. Over the last day, as you can see, 30% up. Over the week, 92%, guys, been performing very well over the last 7 days. A huge increase in value. And over the month as well, 175%, guys, absolutely crazy. So yeah, it's been consistently gaining in value more or less, and hopefully we can keep that going for the rest of the year as well. So going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone up by 41%, making it $427 million in trading, which is a huge amount of money that is currently being traded on The Graph. We're seeing a lot more investors and a lot more sellers as well, taking out the profits and potentially reinvesting when it drops back down in value. But again, the whole point is that it's getting a lot of attention, a lot of hype, meaning more and more investors, and obviously we are going to see the value of the crypto go up as well over the coming days and weeks as well, and hopefully over the long term as well. So let's get straight into it. On the screen right now, we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I'll be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But for now, I'm just going to hide this, and I'm going to bring out the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So yes, we are looking at the daily chart, and at the top here, we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of The Graph, which at the moment is at just about 10 cents. However, it is trading at much higher value here in red at nearly 17 cents, meaning it's performing quite well and much better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I get into all of that, guys, as usual, just a little disclaimer: this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, what can we see here? We do have the blue line looking slightly bearish, heading towards the negative direction, and we've got the orange line looking very steep, heading towards the bullish direction. So essentially what we have is both the lines going in opposite direction to each other, meaning an overall fluctuation in value is what is expected over the coming 12 to 14 hours. So let's say by the end of the day today, we should see The Graph trading up between 16 and 17 cents is what I'm expecting. However, that does not mean that we're not going to see a pump in between. Yes, I'm expecting it to hit about 19 to 20 cents over the next couple of hours before it starts to drop down in value. Again, red candles are always part of the process. I'm expecting it to drop down in between before it pumps as well, potentially over the next hour or two, before it goes up to 18, 19 cents and then drops down again to about 16, 17 cents towards the end of the day today. So it is going to be quite volatile, but the overall outcome seems to be neutral, more or less fluctuating at its current price range. Now, moving on to the hourly chart, we've got the blue and the orange now looking very steep, heading towards the bullish direction, looking very positive. However, as I keep mentioning in most of my videos, whenever you see a MACD indicator looking this steep, that means it's not realistic. The only reason why it's looking so steep is because of the major increase that's taken place over the last couple of hours. The graph thinks, you know what, this crypto is going to keep pumping, it's going to keep going up in value, so on and so on. However, that isn't the case, guys. I am expecting the crypto to take a little step back, a little drop down in value over the coming days before it pumps back up. So let's say over the next week or so, let's say by early next week, I am expecting the graph to be trading around the 20 cents target. However, that does not mean that we're going to be consistently hitting green days for the next 7-8 days. Of course not. We are going to have red days when it's going to drop, and that's very likely to be over the next 24 to 48 hours, 72 hours, before it slowly starts to gain value again towards the end of this week and early next week, hitting about 20 cents in target. Now, moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, again, we've got the blue and the orange line heading up upwards towards the bullish direction, and it's looking not as steep as the previous chart, but again, it is looking quite steep once again, meaning it's not too realistic. However, yes, I am expecting an overall increase in value from the graph over the next couple of weeks. So here I'm talking about over the next 6 to 8 weeks, late March, early April 2023, I'm expecting the graph to be trading around 35 cents is what my expectations are as of right now. Yes, I know 35 cents may seem like a major increase from where it is at the moment. However, if we give it enough time, 6 to 8 weeks, about 2 months time, guys, we should be able to hit the 35 cents target. And again, yes, there's going to be dips in between, there's going to be peaks. That's what I'm considering, the dips in between as well. So it's going to be up and down, but the overall outcome seems to be more on the positive side. So hitting about 35 cents by the end of March, early April is what my expectations are as of right now. Unless, of course, the crypto market goes through a major crash or a major bull run or a price pump. These things will have a major impact, not just on the value of the graph, but the whole crypto market in general. And anything like that, that's why I'm here to keep you guys updated on as much as I can and as soon as I can on my Instagram page and on my YouTube channel as well. So make sure you stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale to do some technical analysis. As you guys can see, we are trading in the red zone at the moment, and we got quite a long way to go to hit the resistance target to head into the green zone. We are in the lowest part of the red zone at the moment, and to hit the resistance target, we need to hit 72 cents, which I'm hoping we should be able to hit by mid-year or second half of the year. Somewhere around that timeline is when I'm expecting the graph to hit the resistance target and potentially head into the green zone over here towards the second half of the year or towards the end of the year, hitting about the dollar mark in Q4 of 2023 is what I'm expecting. However, this depends on any collaborations and market conditions and so on and so on. But if you guys want regular updates on the graph, let me know in the comment section down below, and I'll be more than happy to keep you guys updated as much as I can on this crypto. But yeah, these are my takes and my predictions on the graph, guys. What I want you guys to do is let me know in the comment section down below your end of year target for this crypto. What is the highest figure this crypto can hit in 2023? Let me know in the comment section down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it's free to subscribe, so why not go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video. And I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today. Until then, take care and peace.